mathematics teacher Murad Sultan Ezouidi again with you. I already, let's say, was on YouTube, okay. I was live, okay. But in fact, OBS Studio has been, let's say, faced the problems. Okay, sometimes it's a disconnect and sometimes it's a connected. Okay, that's why I fixed another solution. I found another solution where can I, let's say, figure you the online revision and to show you the online revision and to let you be ready for examining AK and whatsoever your question is. Your pioneers in methods is here waiting for your suggestion, questions, whatsoever. Okay, and if you have doubt, make sure that I'm here to answer you. Okay. Now, learners, I will just continue revising with you. Okay, I hope that you are now joining your lecture and you are thinking of the question that already I started with. Okay, basic question. And the question, let's say the previous question is that I showed that, or I proved that, let's say I will show you the question from the beginning. Okay, if sine to theta is different to 0, never be equal to 0, okay, then to cosine square of theta over sine to theta minus cosec to theta is equal to what? In your opinion, is it tangent to theta or tangent to square to theta of theta or cotangent to theta or cotangent to square? First of all, let you remember that cosine square plus sine square is always equal to 1. And remember that cosec to theta and sine to theta are called the reciprocal trig function. Means a reciprocal trigonometric function. Means when you multiply sine to theta by cosec to theta, will get 1. And the double angle for sine is sine to theta equal to cosec to cosine theta sine theta or to sine theta cosine theta. Okay, you are going to use this identity, okay, this formula. In the final exam, this formula will be given, okay, but else except cosine to theta or which is equal 1 over sine to theta, means the reciprocal trig function will never be given in the final exam, so we should be familiar with the sine, cosec, and cosine and sec, okay. Now, learners, we told that. Okay, I will start with 2 cos square divided by sine to theta minus cosec to theta. I will write it as that 2 cosec square divided by sine to theta. I change it with this, okay, to appear to train you how can you, let's say, work with double angle and a sine or cosine or tangent whatsoever. Okay, minus 1 over sine to theta. Why? Simply because cosec to theta is equal to 1 over sine to theta. Okay. Then we told that cosine 2 times cosine square over 2 sine theta cosine theta. Okay. Minus 1 over 2 sine theta cosine theta because this is equal to sine theta. And then I will try to appear that 2 cosine square minus 1 in fact is cosine to theta. Or you can write it as 1 minus 2 sine square of theta. Okay, I'll just erase this, no need. Okay, therefore 2 cosine square minus 1 is 2 multiplied by, I will convert, let's say, the first trig function, the first identity is trig function, which is cosine square plus sine square 1. Therefore cosine square it will be 1 minus sine square. Then I will multiply 2 by 1 is 2. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Then 2 multiplied by minus sine square will be minus 2 sine square. Therefore, this 1 minus 2 sine square of theta, in fact, is the same as 2 cosine square of theta minus 1, and which is equal to cosine to theta. So cosine to theta divided by sine to theta equal to cotangent to theta. That's why the correct answer is that. Okay. Now we move to the next part, learners. Sorry. Coming back, Mr. Murad, what happened to you? Okay. We told that, okay, this one, yes, this is the question. Okay. If cosine A times sine A square equal A divided by cosec A, so what is the value of sine 2A? Okay. This is the formula of the sine double angle sine 2A equal 2 times sine A cosine A. Okay. And this is my original function. I'm going to derive, let's say, the double angle. First of all, learners, you can see that cosec of A is 1 over sine A. Therefore, I will multiply both sides by what? By cosec. In fact, to what? Sine equal. This is sine square, sine square. Okay, now let's say multiply both sides by what? By cosec. Okay, I'll just write like that. I'll multiply both sides by cosec. So it becomes like that, learners. Okay, here multiply both sides by cosec. I will just write cosec multiply by this equal 8 cosec. Okay, 8 cosec divided by cosec, which is in fact equal to 8. Okay, therefore I will write this as that. Okay, I will write it here. Therefore, learners, I will obtain cosec square, cosec A times cosine A sine A equal what? Equal 8. Okay, but learners, you remember that cosec A multiplied by sine A is 1. Okay, remember that. Remember that, learners. Cosec A sine A. I will just write this again. Remember that. Okay, can that. Remember that cosec A times sine A is equal to 1. Okay, so make sure you got this point because cosec A and sine A are reciprocal, and also we have sec. Let's say I will write sec A. Okay, go back. Okay. Also remember that. Also remember that. Okay, that what that sec A multiplied by cosine A also is 1 because they are called reciprocal trig function. Now, learners, you can see that the double angle here, sine 2A, is 2 times sine A cosine A. Therefore, I can, let's say, multiply this by 2 and divide by 2 to get, this one. Therefore, this one will come exactly with all the, I will just appear the sine square of A is sine A multiplied by itself. Okay, I can cut this. I will make here sine A. Okay, and here cosec A multiplied by sine A. Okay, so multiply by cosine A sine A equal 8. Therefore, this one is equal to 1. This one, learners, is 1. Okay, because both the functions are called sorry, both functions are called reciprocal. I'll make with green, it doesn't clear. Okay, with this, okay, this one is equal to 1. So therefore I will write only cosine A times sine A. Okay, times sine A equal 8. I will write it down. I'll just write like that. Therefore, means in fact that if you multiply both sides by 2 and divide by 2, you will get like that. Means multiply this by 2 and at the same time, okay, you can multiply both sides by 2. It will be 2 sine A cosine A equal what? Equal 16. Equal 16. Hello, Mr. Kamal. How are you doing? I'm recording, Mr. Kamal. Okay, Kamal. Just a moment, Mr. Kamal. Hello, Mr. Kamal. How are you doing? I'm recording now for the online revision for my kids. Okay, I am on the same place, same location, City Hotel. Okay, sorry for bothering you, my brother. Okay, if we want to come, so I will wait for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, learners here. We told that is sine. We just use the last one. Therefore, we multiply this by 2, and you will get 2 sine A, cosine A, or 2 cosine A, sine A. The same, it will be 2 multiplied by 8 will be 16. Therefore, learners, here I will extend this one so that it comes. So, but 2 sine A, cosine A, learners, is what, in fact, we wrote as notes. Remember, this is the notes that we wrote. Okay, you see this note we wrote it from the beginning. It's sine to A. Therefore, this green one is sine to A. I'll just make like that. Okay. Therefore, we can write sine to A. Sine to A is equal to 16. Equal to 16. Good maths, Murad. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, this one learners is the correct answer. Okay, now I will just put this there. Okay, this is learners is the correct answer. Okay, now learners, it's clear that uh, that sine to A is equal to 16. Okay, equal to 16. Okay. Now, if you want to see this one, this let's say the possible answers we have 8 and 16. Okay, 8 and 16. So the answer here is in fact 16. Clear? So, and here some notes that I should be familiar with. Okay. Thank you for listening. Okay. And just I want to go back to the online. Where is it? This one, yes. I thought this one, yes. Apps like okay, stand by. Okay. I wish that it's clear learners. Okay. Maximize. Brahim account are out of date. Europe. Okay. Now I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, Kimo, please, if it is possible, I'm waiting for your head to receive them, okay? Or tell me where you are, I'm coming to you. I already just give me 10 minutes to finish the online revision for my kids, and I will come as soon as possible. Just send your location. I will take my craft space within 1 second exactly. I'm going to land on there. Okay, thank you, goodbye. Now, learners, we told that your mathematics teacher is here to help you, okay? Is here to make it possible for you, okay? And to do at least his favor, okay? I'm just seeing which if I'm online or not. Okay, yes, I'm online. Okay, so learners, please don't hesitate. Yes, I'm now live. Moving forward, I will send this one to you. Okay, add. So yes, okay. I'll check. Okay, so your pioneers in methods, okay, is always here to explain your questions. And here you can see that learners, let's say, you can see that, okay, you can see that so when you click on this, you will find subscribe. If it is possible, subscribe. It's good for you and good for your pioneers in mathematics, okay? And there is a go through the revision. It's very important. It's done only for you. And this online revision will continue and will never stop. No one your teacher. No one, let's say, can stop your pioneers in methods. And that's it exactly that I'm looking for, is to help you wherever you are. Your pioneers in methods is flying like a bird, okay, to search for your mind. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we go back to this one. I will just, I thought I should stop this. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, what else? So I will go back to this question, please. I will. Okay, the next question maybe comes like that. The next question on this is that. Okay, is that okay? Yes. Next time, inshallah, tomorrow maybe. Tomorrow, yes. Prepare yourself. May you teach a line. Okay. We are going to shape the quotient function and product function. Okay. Like y equal 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square. And the question is find dy with respect to x. Okay. And what else? Yes, that's it. So this is the question, and this is another question. Okay, minus. Okay, we'll check exactly what will be. Okay, so we'll just now erase this one. No need. Okay, your question is that I will. Okay, I will here make this is small a. Then find. I will write find. Okay, find first of all small a, okay, and then small b. Small b it will be the second, okay, okay. B, okay, b now learners. I will tell you small b. Find the stationary point if it is possible, of course. Find the stationary point. Okay, and find the y value. Okay, stationary point, find capital, find stationary point. Okay, no, I'll make it. No need to find stationary point because find is written up. Okay, find, okay, dy with respect to x, find the stationary point. Okay, and see now you will okay, you will see, you will try to find the dy the second, okay, the second of what, of y, okay, the second the second of y, okay, and this one is the same. I will put here. The second of y we told, the second of y with respect to x. Okay, to do what exactly? To check the nature of the stationary point. You have a maximum or a minimum, and so on. Okay, between parentheses. Okay, between parentheses, it's a minimum. It is a minimum. It is a minimum. A minimum. A minimum, or a maximum, okay, this is the okay whole question. Stationary point should be found. After finding stationary point, between parentheses, find the value of y. Find the value of y. Values of y, where possible, of course, of y. Means when you set your equation equal your first derivative of the function equals 0, you are going to find the stationary point. Then, for example, you find For x equal 0 means that x equals 0. And to find y, just substitute here x with a stationary point that you found and check if it is minimum and maximum. Then see D now. Okay, find the range, find the range, the range of values of x, of values of x, for which the function is decreasing. Okay, but I'll make small this one. 14. Okay, I'll make 18 is so hard. 14 is enough. Okay, all of them I got 14. Okay, 14. This is your question for tomorrow. Please do your best to solve this question. Okay, this is your question. Okay, what else? Now tomorrow we'll solve this question. Okay, and I will tell you what else. Okay, okay. Then D, find D. I will tell you find small d. خلاص E now. Small e. Differentiate. Find the third derivative of the function the third. Okay. The third. May tomorrow at 9 a.m. I will be online with you. So I'll try to find it. Okay. And what else? Yes. Thank you for listening. Okay, now I will stop this bonus. Okay. I will see here. Yes. Okay, thank you for listening, learners. Make sure your mathematics teacher will never hesitate to help you whatsoever. Okay? Whatsoever, I'm here to let you really good at mathematics. I will try to let you good at mathematics. This is sure I will do for you. But learners, what do you think if I will go to the previous question? Okay, now we did now. Yes, I want to give another question. What do you think? Okay, I will try to give you a question. Okay. I will tell you, okay, question. I will use this one. I will do notification data and my share your screen. Okay. So we make a question here. Okay. Then I will tell you that given exercise 9 or 10, something like that. Given that, okay, this is a very important question. I will just make down so that the screen will be clear for you. This is a question I will do it now, or I will do it down. Okay, what do you think? I will do it down. It's better. Okay. Now I will come like that, learners. Yes. Given that 2y, I will make this one. Okay. Given that, let's say given that y to the power 3. Okay. Y to the power 3. This is y to the power 3, of course. Okay. Equal 1 minus or equal tangent of x. Okay. Minus okay, sec y. Okay. sec y else minus sec y. Mhm. Cosine x squared. Okay, this is the function. Okay. So I want you to solve this question. Find the question is find okay dy with respect to x. Okay, find dy with respect to x. Okay, find dy with respect to x. This is the first question. Okay. Okay. Now we move to small b. This question I will do it now if it's possible. Okay. What else? So what x equal okay y over 4. Okay. The question now is that now learners will now solve this question. Okay. Like this one. Copy. Then I will go down. Okay. This is your questions. I will make paste. I will put it here if possible. Now upload to solve. Okay. So we have this is my equation y to the power 3 equal okay tangent x okay tangent x. I will extend this one. Okay, this is the function y. Okay, I will give you time to think of the question. Okay, I will give you time to think of the question. So the question is y cubed equal tangent x. Okay, sec y cosine x squared. Okay, now learners we will try to solve this one. Therefore, I will write dy with respect to x, which is y dash. Therefore, so this one equal means I will differentiate this one. Okay, I will make d with respect to this to the whole equation to okay to y to the power 3. Okay, y to the power 3 we call it. Okay, I will do it. Okay, go there, commas, go, yes. I will differentiate this one, which is equal to what? Learners equal equal dy with respect to x on the second one, the left hand side, the right hand side. Means I will make tangent of x. First of all, if it is possible, I will separate all of them. Okay, I will make this one 2 times. Okay, then minus this one. Okay, therefore tangent of x, this is tangent of x should be differentiated. Okay, then sec y. Okay, sec y cosine x squared should differentiate this one. Okay. Put it, let's say, between parentheses. Okay, it's better. I'll put it here between parentheses. I will differentiate this. Okay. Then also this one should be written in terms of parentheses because you are going to differentiate this. This is also y to the power 3. Okay. Okay. Now learners, I will extend this. So to differentiate this, it's very easy. I will write this first in front. Okay, this is in front also. So this will give me exactly. Okay, this implies that this will give me. Okay. Mhm. The first derivative of the function y to the power 3 with respect to x. We don't have same variable, so we should be written as 3 times y squared dy with respect to x. So it will be 3y squared, 3y squared, 3y squared, okay, y squared times dy with respect to x, y squared times what? Times dy with respect to x, or times y dash. Okay, y dash. Okay, let's see the first derivative of the function y dash, or dy with respect to x whatsoever. I will write it as dy with respect to x, no problem. So dy with respect to x. Okay, so this one, the first one. Okay, now this one is equal to what? Equal to fact equal the first derivative of tangent lines is sec square. It will be sec square equal sec square. I will try to write sec square here. Sec sec square of x. Okay. Then minus, this is the product rule. Okay. If it is possible, I will differentiate it here. Okay, this one, then I will copy here. Therefore, I will insert here a table. Okay, I will insert a table. What can I? Okay, whatsoever. I will insert a table. Okay, I will put it here. Is it possible? Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Okay, this is okay. Hello, how are you, my friend? Fine, thank you. Alhamdulillah. So we continue now. I will just write this as I will make copy. Then I will. This one can be entered down. It's possible. Oh my God, what happened? Okay, go back, go back. Okay. So I will put up. Okay. Okay. I will differentiate this. Means I will differentiate this first. This is product rule. This one learns equal in fact to the first derivative of sec y is a sec y tangent tangent y multiplied by dy with respect to x. Okay, multiply by dy with respect to x and multiply by cosine square. Cosine. Okay, I'll make this one as that first. Then cosine square of x means I keep cosine square of x as it is, not change. Okay. Then after that, as I differentiated, let's say sec y, I differentiate this one sec y will give sec tangent. Okay. I differentiate this. So the first derivative of sec is sec y tangent. Okay, tangent y. Also multiply by dy with respect to x. Okay, dy with respect to x. Then plus what? As I just differentiate sec y and I keep cosine x squared as it is, now I'll make a plus plus what? Plus I should keep sec square sec y as it is, then I should differentiate this one. Means I will make sec square sec y as it is, multiply by the first derivative of cosec. It will be between parentheses minus 2, okay, minus 2, okay, minus 2x, and the first derivative of cosine is sine, okay, sine of x square, okay, sine x square. Therefore, sine x square, okay. Now, learners, I fetched this one. You can see that I close the parentheses now. So we told that, of course, yes, cosine, the first derivative of cosine is minus sine. The first derivative of x square is 2x. and that's why it appears here minus 1. But here, I will put this minus 1 now in front of sec. Multiply by, yes, I will make here, instead of writing here plus, I will make minus because it's obvious for you. This minus comes in front of sec y. Okay, okay. I will now disappear this. Okay, so this one is the first derivative of the function sec y cosine x squared, means this one. Therefore, I will write this as that. Okay, okay. First of all, this 2, isn't it? I will put it here in front of this 2 sec. Okay, I will write this one. Okay, so this one learns, I will write it here as it is, no change. Okay, copy. I will write this, therefore, okay, I will make enter, then I will come here to add this. We told sorry, again, we told okay, minus, this is minus of this, minus of, what is it? Minus between parentheses. Of course, there is negative sign this one, parentheses, and I will close here the parentheses. Okay. Now, learners, this minus comes here, it will be negative. And minus multiplied by minus is positive. I will write this again down. Okay. Copy. I will make enter here to keep space. Therefore, I will extend this. So this one, it's better, learns. What do you think to make like that? Okay, the question here, right? I will make find exactly comes down first. Okay, okay, okay. I will make find dy with respect to x. Okay, so this is. I will extend this one. Then okay, I will come as like that. So the question is in front of you. You can see it. Now I will make like that. Okay, I will extend this one. Good man. Now, learners, I will finish solving this question. Okay, by simplifying my expression. So this one we told I will paste it here. Okay, copy. Okay. Now I will tell minus sec. This is minus sec. Okay. And then minus multiplied by minus is positive. This is positive. Okay. And this is x squared. Therefore, learners, you see that there is a common factor here of the y dash of the first derivative. So you can see this one. Okay. And this one, its common difference. I'm going to collect like this. So this one is minus sec y. It will come as here. Okay. I will try to transfer on the right hand side. Okay. So this one I will cut this. I'll put it. I will cut this. Which is it will be plus. Okay. Plus what? Plus. Okay. Sorry. Plus what we call plus sec y, then equal what, learners? Equal sec x squared. Okay, sec x. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? To sec y sin x. You can see that Okay, this way. But no problem, I will go down. I will enter this again. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, I will make like that so that I can find more space. Okay, okay, therefore, okay, then I will make like that. Now, learners, I will write this again. Okay, copy and paste. So I will call that this is dy with respect to x. I will tell it because it's a common factor. Okay, I will open the parentheses. Plus sine plus sec y tangent y cosine x squared multiplied by this. So this is the common factor. Okay, then I will divide all of this by 3y squared plus sec y tangent y cosine x squared. Therefore, this is dy equal. I will just write it here if it is possible, or I will extend. I will see. I will try to extend it. It's better. Okay. Okay. hmm It will be equal. Okay, I will extend just a little bit. Yes. Therefore, learns dy with respect to x is equal to what? Dy with respect to x is equal to sec square of x plus 2 sec y sine x square سلام عليكم. Okay. Divided by, because divided by what? Divide exactly by 3y square plus sec y tangent y cosine x square. Okay, divided by this. Let's see the first derivative of the function. Okay, so be careful while differentiating a function in terms of y and x. So you should be very familiar with this. Okay, I wish that's clear for you, learners. I will send just a little bit of tablet. Thumbs down, please. Yes, like that. Therefore, this is the last time. Thank you for listening. See you, inshallah, next time. Okay. If you want to make this is small, I can make it small, no problem. Okay. Mhm. Thank you for listening. I will now stop sharing. Okay. Welcome to the photo. Okay. I will now go back to this one. Save, of course. Save. Okay. Now, learners, we thought that I will share this. Share yes, and type window. Okay. I will go to this one. Restrict. Books of Murad. This is my books, my learners. See? This is the books of your mathematics teacher, Murad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay. I'm planning, in fact, to. Okay. So we close this now. We go to live streaming. I will end this. Thank you for listening. I wish that you are fine. And what else? And always I'm here to help you. Thank you. Bye. See you inshallah next time. Okay, I wish at least the online revision it's good for you. Like you can work with and you can join all your lecture and whatsoever. I will try to open an icon for chat, okay, for learners to ask for questions. Okay, but in this streaming IO, It's difficult sometimes to look for a black. Okay, thank you and goodbye. Okay, thank you. A lot of things, my lovers. Thank you and goodbye. Okay, see you inshallah.